Hey y'all, this is All of Destiny, and in this video I will be sharing with you all a few items that I'll be selling on Poshmark. If y'all follow me on Instagram, and I really got this idea from you all, so shout out to y'all. Fun fact, I'm clingy. I'm like a really clingy person. I hold on to my things. You'll assume you have a lot of clothes. I'm the type of person, if somebody's like, let's go somewhere, and I'll try on a bunch of things, I just won't end up wearing it. People be like, dawg, you got so many clothes. I'm the person that will say, I don't have anything to wear. Oprah Winfrey, one time on one of her shows, she said, if you have something and you haven't touched it in about 6 months, chances are you're not going to touch it, you're not going to use it. Don't throw it out. Like, you can sell it. Even if it's not for full value for what I paid for it, you can get something like a small book for it versus just throwing it out, which is also a nice little side hustle. And also Poshmark does only take about 20% of the sale, I believe. Keep that in mind when selling items. This video is going to be sponsored by Poshmark. In my last Poshmark video, a lot of you all kind of told me I was kind of talking a lot. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to hold up the item. I'll let you all know just like a quick little description. After that, I'll let you all know the size. See the item, decide if you want to purchase it or not, and I can move on to the next thing. I'm helping you to save time so we can move on to another video. Also, I want to show and share with you all how easy it is to use the Poshmark app. Then I know if I can use it, y'all can use it. Like, come on now. So when I open the Poshmark app, this is what my closet looks like, and I have sold a few items so far. Clicking to where it says feed in the bottom left hand corner, that's where you'll be able to see what other people are selling. You can see things from Balenciaga, Gucci, Nike, all types of brands are on here. So to go ahead and sell an item, I'm just going to click sell. You can either snap a photo or you can upload an image from a gallery. Since I personally did not take a picture in this one, I just found this picture online that I'm going to be selling. So I'm just going to describe it here. Two-piece fringe set, and you want to be as descriptive as possible. That way you're really helping a person to understand what the item is about up front without them having to question it and wait on you to respond. Also, if someone does have a question, then you want to definitely respond right away. That helps you to get your sales quickly. So I'm just going to select a category. For the two pieces, I was having a hard time. I think I put some of them under dresses. This one I'm just going to choose midi. Quantity is 1. Since I only have one of these to sell, the size is a medium. Next up, I'm going to select the brand. This one is mustard seed. Now I'm going to select the color, and you're able to select up to 2 colors. I only selected one since this was black. New with tag, since it is new. The original price $45. I'm selling it for $25, and after Poshmark's cut, I'll receive $20. And basically there it is. You're able to check it out. I uploaded more than one photo so you can see how it looks all the way around, and that's how you sell on Poshmark. So you can get, like, you know, something on the side versus just giving them away to something like Goodwill, or, which, don't get me wrong, I do give things to Goodwill all the time, but it's like I can get a little book on the side myself for this, you know. So if y'all got stuff at home too, definitely download the Poshmark app. It is free. I'll have a link for you all to download that below. If you all do have a Poshmark already, comment your Poshmark name in the description box. Not in the description box, what? Comment your Poshmark names in the comment section down below. That way you get free advertisement and everybody can check out everyone's closet and see what we all have to sell. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. By the way, because I do kind of look bald from this angle, I recently took my braids down, so curly puff, my first little curly puff. That's what we got going on. The first item that I have is a black flower crop top. It is a size small, and it has peekaboo. Oh, this is actually the front, my bad. Flower crop top. Ooh, flower crop top, size small, and it has a little small cutout in the back. I've only worn this probably once for a YouTube video, but I've never gone out or anything in it. It's basically new. I just sat down and filmed a video in it. Like I said, I'm trying to lose 15 pounds, so I'm not really trying to wear crop tops at this moment. Blush 2-piece set. I'll insert a picture in this. I don't fit it anymore, and also since I'm selling it, I don't want to try it on. Basically, any of these that do not fit me the way they used to fit me, I don't want to try them on and stretch them out, pop zippers, because I do want to sell them. Any pictures that I have, I'm clingy on Instagram too, so any pictures that I have in any of these items, I will also show you all. This is a blush pink 2-piece set. This is the skirt. It is a bodycon skirt. This is a size medium, and then this is the top. It's kind of like an off the shoulder tube top type of thing. I'll put the picture so you all should see it by now what it looks like on. I actually did a get ready with me in this. It has like the sweetheart neckline. It's a small, so the top is a small, the bottom is a medium. The little sleeves, and this is not stained. So this is a two-piece as well. This is a black sort of crop top. This is a size medium. It does have gold buckle detailing on it, which is, does it detach? Yeah, this does come apart in the front. I've never unbuckled this, so I never even knew that. So yeah, size medium, and it's like a v-neck in the back, and these are the matching pants that go with this one. This is a size, the tag is all faded, but it's still good quality clothes. What size is this? Oh my goodness. I'm gonna assume it's a medium. Yeah, because most places don't let you buy things and interchange the sizes. So this is the pants. They're kind of like leggings, but they're not legging type of material. So they fit your leg at the bottom, and this actually unzips. I did a, not to get ready with me, but I did an outfit of the night video with these. This unzips right at the knee. Both of the zippers work, and then it has like this nice kind of checkerboard type of material, if you will, and it's stretchy right up in here. So yeah, if your butt is like too big, I wouldn't suggest getting these, but you know, if you slim thick or whatever, you know. And that goes with this. By the way, my two-piece sets and things, they're not going to be sold separately, so you know, it's not like you can get the top but not get the bottom. Everything is going to be sold as a set, if it is a set. And this one is new with the tags. I really love this. Like I said, I've just gained weight, so a lot of these things don't fit me anymore. That's really the only reason I'm getting rid of them. A two-piece set as well. I've never really gone out in it. I've only tried it on for a clothing haul. That's it, and I basically got right out of it. So it's practically new, and it does have the tags. It does have padding in the bra. This is a size medium, and then this is a skirt, and it just has fringe on the bottom, so this is perfect when you're trying to step out and slay. It does have a zipper in the, both of these have a zipper in the back. Let me take them apart and show you all. Whoop. And it basically just zips up in the back, and the material is really nice on this one as well. This is the top, and this just zips up in the back as well. This part is too big for me, but I can't get it to zip in the back. I don't really even know how to explain it. So the top and bottom for this two-piece set is a size medium. Okay, the next thing that I have is this peachy, I guess peachy romper. This is from ᶫᵒᵔ. I've only tried this on before. It does still have the tag on it. I've never worn it. It is strapless. I just feel like if I was to go woo or something like that, it might slip down in the top part. But I mean, depending on where you're going to wear this to, because I would want to wear it on a night out. If I was wearing this maybe during the daytime, I would be good to go. But honestly, now it just doesn't fit me the same as when I first got it, because it hugs me too tight. I prefer for my shorts to be a little more loose. It's really fitting your girl now. I don't really want to hold on to it until I lose 15 pounds either. So it's new with tags. Black dress, black heel sandals. These have only been tried on for a video. They are a US size 8, and they pretty much lace up around the ankle. I'll insert a picture so that you all can see what they look like. I absolutely love these shoes, but when your heels are slightly too large for you, you kind of can't really walk in them too well, and so my feet kind of slide forward a little bit. So yeah, these have only been tried on for a video. I've never really worn them actually out. Like, I put them on and kind of posed for the camera, and then I was right out of them. So these are basically new as well. These will come in the original box that I received them in. Also, they have gold little detailing along the string, cushion along the inside. So if you wanted to wear this for a girls' night out, going to the club, going to a party, you would pretty much be good to go. They're very comfortable. Like I said, they're just too large for me. These heels, these have also only been worn in a YouTube video. This one though, however, it does have a slight, where's the stain at? It has a really small stain. You probably can't even see it. It's just like a little stain right there. I feel like you could probably get that off. I just like to give disclaimers, you know, so that we, you know, everything is a smooth transaction. But yeah, I've only worn these once for a video. These are US size 8. They actually fit me. The other ones are a size 8 too, but for whatever reason they don't fit me. The reason that I'm not keeping these is because I kind of don't dress to where I will wear some shoes like this, heels like this. But it is a black heel, which I do prefer because it's definitely more wearable. I can stand all night in heels like this, but the height of the heel and then the pattern doesn't really fit my lifestyle for something I could get a lot of use out of. And if I've had them this long and haven't really worn them, chances are I'm not going to. This is probably something I would just take an Instagram pedicure picture in and then just be done with it. Cushion on the inside as well. This is what the bottom looks like. It was on concrete when I tried them on, but I haven't walked in them. So that is all that I'm going to show in this video. I just need to finish going through my things, really gather up everything and decide what I'm going to sell, what I'm not going to sell. So definitely check out my Poshmark. My Poshmark name is allofdestiny. Also, don't forget to download the Poshmark app. It is free to download if y'all need to clean out your closet. You're thinking you're gonna wear it, you just never really put it on again. Put it on Poshmark. Nice little side hustle to get you some extra money. super easy to use. When someone purchases the item, they literally email you the little shipping label. Quickly print it off, attach it to the item, just put the little label right on there. Poshmark handles all of that with the prepaid shipping label, so I really like that. Again, special thank you to Poshmark for sponsoring this video. It's only available in the US, by the way. What else? Don't forget to check out my Poshmark. I do have more items on my Poshmark that I did not show in this video. I am selling wigs on my Poshmark as well. I just didn't show them in this video. Everything on my Poshmark is going to be affordable, by the way. I'm not trying to like bust heads to sell items. I just want to get a little something versus getting rid of it for free. Does that make sense? And if you all watch my wig videos, then you know that I can do a lot of wig reviews, so I'm kind of in and out of the wig, so they're basically new as well. Link is in the description box down below. Questions or comments, leave all of that down below as well. And as always, I thank you all so much for watching. Subscribing is free. It'll be over here so you all can subscribe. Check out some more videos. I have another Poshmark video if you all want to check that out. It'll be right here. I'll put something else right here. I don't know what. Watch one of these. They're going to be good videos, and I will talk to you all in my next one. Bye. And they fit me. I don't understand why the black ones don't, but these do. But the thing with these are, hey Pudding. I ain't distracted. My cousin just popped in, y'all. Smell like French fries. She said smell like French fries. I gotta edit that out. Yeah, we had Sonic. It's right there. How you know?
That's what I'm smelling then.